So there's the update on the 1950. I've taken out all the spark plugs because we are getting spark coming from the distributor cap to the spark plugs, but I'm not sure if the spark plugs are sparking themselves. So basically, distributor cap is good, wires are good. We got fuel already. You can see we got fuel into the, we got fuel, carb. Basically, I'm here to replace these 6 spark plugs. Other than that, we should be good after that. It did want to turn on. I just know that one of these is probably, these are probably dead or so. One of these